you building up a new UI but suffering from blank screen syndrome? Maybe you need to implement several different UI pieces, but you don't know where to start. Try using Placeholder. Placeholder is a simple widget that can stand in for a UI component until you are ready to implement it. Just like a container, normally this widget will expand to fill all the available space, but you can constrain the height or the width with fallback height or fallback width when this widget is placed in an unbounded parent like a list view. You can even change the color of the X and the width of the lines, but maybe you should just get back to styling your actual app rather than the placeholder widget. For more documentation on Placeholder and all the other Flutter widgets, check out flutter.dev.